Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use your both headphone and your microphone on a laptop that has only one audio jack. So as you can see guys, I have the laptop. So in my laptop there is only one audio jack available here. But I want to connect and use this headphone and plus microphone. I have these two devices at the same time on my laptop. Is it possible or not? Let's get started. Yes guys, it is possible. Most modern laptop include only one combined 3.5 mm audio jack. So this means guys, you can't directly plug a separate microphone and headphone at the same time, and if your jack is damaged, none of them will work properly. Okay, here is the simple solution to fix this issue. You need to buy a simple sound card adapter like this. So you can get it online. Here in this adapter you can get one USB, and other side of this adapter you can get one microphone port and headphone port, as you can see guys. So first I will connect my headphone to this USB adapter like this. So just connect it on headphone port only. And for my mic, so this is my mic, as you can see guys. So I will simply connect it here in the microphone point like this properly. And now you need to insert this USB cable to your laptop USB port. So you can use this adapter on your PCs as well. Okay, so just find out the USB port and simply insert it. That's it. Okay, as you can see guys, the adapter was not turned on. Now you can use the microphone and your headphone at the same time with this help of simple adapter. Okay, after connecting, Windows will automatically install the driver. That's it. You are successfully set up a microphone and headphone on a laptop with only one audio jack using a USB sound adapter. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.